Hello, crypto space. It's McGregor, and I want to give you fast update about situation on the market. So what we have here is the market stopped moving downwards intraday, of course, and started moving to the upside since yesterday 1600 p.m., which means that something happened that stopped the price and started this move. And what it was is this, right? As you can see, news has been released, right? Can you see it? Hope you can. The news is saying that Senate passed 1.9 trillion COVID relief. So it means that stimulus is going to give average American $1,400, and the market expect this money to be put into crypto, right? As people now seeing weakness of the dollar and prices in the United States are going up. So this is what happened. And what I want to say is we have Saturday and Sunday, and we already told you, me, Cryptomaniac, Adrian, whatever, that weekend is the time that serious money are not trading. Big fishes, whales, institutions, funds are not on the market. They're not trading, right? So what happens is that not a lot of money, like let's say 5% of what can cause this move, like from Monday to Friday, to make move like that, you would have to put, like, let's say, use your imagination, 100 trillions, right? Overall, to put it all, all upside. I'm just guessing, random name. It can be billion, can be 100 millions, whatever. But during Saturday or Sunday, it's just like 5% of this amount to cause the same move, right? So small money can move the market, and that's why it's unpredictable, basically. And people who are serious about trading are usually not trading serious amounts of money. We already gave you our setups, so you have long setups, you have short setups, and all trades are secured, and we have been very profitable, making thousands of percents in profits. Basically, you made really serious money with us. So use our setups exactly as they are given by Cryptomaniac or Adrian or sometimes myself, and make a lot of money. Now, what I would suggest now to clarify this situation, we have very clear setup. I will remove it, or maybe not yet. So the intraday support for the move to the upside is at 49.2. Why? 49.2, I will put the line horizontal in here, right? This is the more or less line, as we are not exactly using just a line to the dollar. We are using zones, as you probably noticed. We are using zones, and smart money are using zones. I'm using zones myself, but let's say this is just a line, as 90% people are using it, and you probably are using horizontal lines. So the price is testing close to the level. So I will change the color. Let's say it's red. To the level. This is resistance. This is still resistance, right? And still resistance. 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 Spike through it, testing the price. And moving through resistance, back testing it. You can see it was back tested, and moving to the upside, coming through very fast and moving back up. This is resistance now, moving through. This is acting as a support to the downside, moving again to this level, acts as a resistance, moving through, acts as a support, bouncing out of it once, twice, thrice, moving downside, testing it, moving down, testing it, moving down, and again testing it, moving to the downside, and now breaking to the upside, right? So it doesn't really important, as you may ask, if it moved through this level. It's not so strong. It is strong. It is. And we expect now, I expect now the price to test this level once again, at least once, right? We will come back at least once because we just moved through it. We can move further to the upside a little bit or more, doesn't matter. But we will retest it and we will play accordingly, right? We have setups already made and nothing to do with it. We are waiting for the price to settle. What it means the price since 1st March is ranging, right? The range we have is this. I'm basically using close price, it's not the tops or bottom. Price must close a certain level. So, excuse me. For the upside, we have 51,800, 51,750, 51,800 in my opinion, to be broken to the upside, and the bottom is 46.4.5 approximately, right? We are watching not this spot, we're watching this part of the chart, right? Test it, test it, test it, move to the middle, test it, and we're going to that probably to test this again. Now, the last I want to say to you guys, because we're already a bit long. This should be short update, but it's a bit long. I hope you still with me. You can comment underneath if you watched it all, and did you like it or did you not? I'm not going to post this one into YouTube, as we just started thinking about creating our own channel, and I am about to think about general shape of it and how long it should be, what the content should be. Should it be technical? We're not using a lot of technical analysis, to be honest, because 95% of people losing money on the market, they are using indicators, charts, with special technical ways. They using all patterns and so on and so on. It doesn't work basically. If you see the chart the way everybody else is seeing it, it's not gonna work. You must realize that. So yeah, I use some things like for basic structure I use Elliott waves, but I'm not using Elliott waves the way people mostly using it. I'm using just basic structure, the most obvious structure you can see. So if I see obvious three waves to the upside, I'm not gonna say it's impulse wave, right? Like ABC, 1-to-1, zigzag, and flat, and so on. You must know the chart patterns, because history repeats itself, and we are watching constantly the same behaviors. Price is not price on the chart you see is basically not just the price. This is the behavior of traders. These are reactions on certain levels or certain price behavior. This is what traders do, and you must be better. You must not watch chart and react on certain levels. Let's say, I don't know, I see certain level. Okay, this is support, right? This is support for the move to the upside, and I think this is going to be really strong support, and I'm going short constantly, right? Because most traders will do it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's not. But you must be better than most of traders. And we are trying not to follow the crowd. We are not crowd followers. We are leaders. We are traders. And we want you to make more money than others. That's why we trade the way we trade. Yeah. Basically, what we do is we will wait today. Saturday was the news release, right? Today, market react to the news, and some people are FOMOing long, right? With all this move right to the upside. But what we do is we will wait for today to see CME futures to open, right? CME futures must be open today, tonight. This is one thing, and the second thing is tomorrow morning, London session open, right? Because you may don't know, but the Bitcoin is also traded by Forex traders. And Forex brokers, they have a little bit different charts and a little bit different rules, because they basically don't work during weekends, right? So we will wait till CME to see how price will be traded, and we will wait to tomorrow's London session open. Until then, you got your setups. Don't do anything stupid. Don't put more money than usually. And in my opinion, just my opinion, if you trade during weekends, don't trade your normal position size. Just use half of it or even less than that, because market during weekends is pretty much unpredictable. As I said, small money can move the market really high or really low. You can see bumps and dumps. As we are saying with Cryptomaniac and Adrian, as we rule this channel in three. Basically, these are my best mates. In trading, they are unbeaten. I mean, they made crazy profits, and you will see it. You will see it. If you stick with us, you'll see it pretty soon. This is not financial advice, okay? I'm not telling you do this, do that. We are sharing our knowledge. We are sharing what we trade. We are showing you what we use. We are showing you what we see on the chart, what we hear on the news, and what is our opinion about the market, and setups we use for trading. Basically, every single setup, every single one you see is traded by us personally on our account. These are our money, our profits, and it's only shared with you guys because we like to share. We are really happy when people are making money. So be with crypto space, become part of crypto space, and let's make some money, guys. So until tomorrow morning, stay with these setups given. Do not do anything stupid. Watch CME open, watch London session open, have your stop losses, and that's it. And new week starts tomorrow morning. So be prepared for very nice trades made by us, basically. This is my first recording. This is my first, video. I wouldn't say video because the chart has been frozen for a while. Basically, that is all. Or you can see algorithm we created with Adrian. It's pretty much still in the long position. This is just to show, nothing else. It's good. It's really good. It makes money. It made very decent profits in the past. Okay, that's it for now. So what caused this pump was news, right? Caused stimulus, caused the pump. What we see is price now struggling to move higher. It will probably move a little bit because small money can move it higher, and we will probably test 49.2 level, right? 49.2, 49. Excuse me, to 50 around ish, something like that. That's my expectation. Let's see. It would cover actually 50% of this move. Even you see 59.2 ish, 49.180, something like that. So yeah, 50% of this move to the upside, if this is not gonna go any higher than that. But anyway, that's it, guys. I will keep you updated, but I will write some analysis I used to write, and I will prepare better recordings, better analysis, shorter one probably. Just let me know how long it should be, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, what do you like? This is basically just try to give you something we want to give. So let me know what should be in the content. Is just what do you know? But I know Bitcoin, Ethereum, that's it. So other alts are updated by Cryptomaniac and Adrian on a daily basis, and you're gonna give our setups, and yeah, maybe I will post some live trading videos in the future. Let me know if you want it or not. Okay, have a nice Sunday evening, crypto space. We see price moves a little bit. Okay, see ya.